Remarkable AI is an AI growth manager for consumer brands. We help consumer brands deliver one-to-one personalized engagement. That could be helping them chat with people on social media to acquire new customers, or handling their customer support, especially when they have a lot of messages to answer. We're a distributed team with team members all around the world, and it's really important that we can communicate effectively and collaborate in real time on all the different projects that are going on across the company. We started the company and started using Google Workspace from the beginning, starting with Gmail, and then even bought our domain through Google. And then as the company has grown, we've been adding more and more tools from Google Workspace. Everyone in the company probably starts their day in Google Workspace, probably checking their email and then looking at some notifications they got from a document that they were collaborating with another team member. For me, as like an executive leader, I have to look at things like financial forecasts. So I'm looking in Google Sheets, looking at where our numbers are and where we're trending. And then maybe I'm giving a presentation to a client or to an investor, and I'm using Google Slides to do that. But we've probably saved tens of thousands of dollars on travel costs from being able to use things like Google Meet to meet with our team members. Security and cybersecurity is so important in today's world, and it's important to us as a business, helping other businesses, and Gmail helps with that. For example, if there's like a phishing email where someone's trying to get access or get some information, Gmail will alert us and tell us like, hey, this looks like phishing, watch out here. Also in a scenario where we need to log into different applications, either our own applications or third-party applications, being able to log in with Google Workspace has that added layer of security like two-factor authentication and other pieces to make sure our team members are being secure. One of the features that we love is the ability to share links with our clients and have fine-grained control on who's able to view that information. That makes our clients feel even more confident and secure when they're working with us. You know, we have over 1,000 companies that use our software, and being able to meet with those companies and explain our services over Google Meet, knowing that it's like a trusted platform that's highly reliable. I highly recommend Google Workspace to every business. It's the most advanced and sophisticated, and it's very affordable for businesses of every size.